Alright, so I'm going to start by just making a simple coffee cup shape. Nothing fancy, but good place to start for. So I've already kneaded the clay, got it into a ball, so what I'm going to do first here is just equal amounts of pressure on the top and the side to try to get it centered. And after enough practice, this becomes easy. Now, you know it's centered when your hands start to move. Stop moving, I mean, sorry. And that's good enough. Okay, so first we're going to push the clay down to the size we want our coffee cup. And I drink a lot of coffee, so we want a big cup. Alright, that's pretty good. Alright, so now put my finger dead center, push down, but I want to make sure I stop before I hit this plate. And we lightly push out, pull out. Alright. Okay, so now I'm going to take my fingers, push my thumb into my index finger here, like that, make it nice and solid. Put it up underneath this lip, push in a little bit, slowly pull up. Now I flared out a little bit, so I'm just going to take my hand and cup it around. Alright, now let's get her straighten her up a bit more. That's pretty good. Now I use just these plastic scrapers. You can go spend fancy, buy fancier ones, but a nice straight edge at the bottom. Get them at the hardware store for $5-6 for a pack of them. But I'm going to use it as my rib. And we're just going to kind of go on the outside and scrape off a lot of this extra clay. Throw it in my bucket. Okay. Slow the speed down just a little bit. I want to. Now I use the webbing in my fingers between my fingers to round off my top. More shaping. It's pretty good. Now, here we go. Grab this guy. Make sure I have a nice square edge. I'm going to cut a little bit into the bottom, then take it straight. I'm just going to trim off this bottom of it. Now before I slice this off, I'm going to just nick it like that. And we'll just clean it up a bit. Yeah, starting to look pretty good. By Should be a good 20 ounces of coffee, which is almost enough. Clean up the sides a bit. That's pretty good. Let's round this top off a bit. Got a few lines up here. It's pretty good. All right. Now, grab my wire here. And cut across the bottom. Dry your hands off real good. I mean good as you can, you're already dirty. Just lightly caress it, and the wet clay will stick to your hand so you don't have to grab it. Now when that dries, we'll kind of clean it up and sand it a bit and just kind of finish it up. And that's pretty easy. Pretty easy way to make a coffee cup, paint cup, any type of cup you need, I suppose. All right. Thanks for watching.
Clean hands.
What's that?
Clean hands for the